Welcome to another Vim tutorial. In this video, we'll continue to explore essential movement and editing commands that will enhance your productivity in Vim. Open Terminal using Ctrl, Alt and T. Then zoom in using Ctrl, Shift and plus sign. Let's navigate to the file we created in previous video, which is located in Document. Use cd command to change directory to documents where we saved files that contains name. If I remember correctly, use ls to list the content of document directory. As you can see, we have document called names that we are going to be using. Open that file or any file you want to be using by typing vim then name of file. For my case, the name of file is called names. Then press enter. The first command that we are going to be using is line number then G, which is used to specific line. Line number represents the line number you want to go to. When you are counting, you start from the line where the cursor is located as 1 to the line you want to go. Let's take an example here. The cursor is located of the first line with the content of 5 students to go. If I want to go to 4th line, it will be Ethan Smith as 4th line from first line. Press 4 as number of line and then capital G. As you can see, the cursor jumped to 4th line. You can even count those line from the first line, second line, third and 4th line. Remember, all of this happen in normal mode. Let's continue with another command, which is 0. Pressing 0 in normal mode helps to move to the beginning of the current line. Let's move the cursor in the middle of the line to demonstrate this. Then press 0 while you are in normal mode. As you can see, the cursor jumped to the beginning of the line. You can continue to test it as long as you are in normal mode. Let's see another command, which is $. A $sign in Vim is used to navigate to the end of the current line. As you can see, we are in first line of this file and still in normal mode. If I want to go to the end of this first line, I will just press $. As you can see, $sign moves the cursor to the end of current line. Here we're just using another line to show that when you press $sign in Vim normal mode, cursor will jump to the end of current line. The next command is D+W, which is used to delete the next word. If you press D and W will delete next word. For example, here the first line, which is title, that says 5 students to go, the next word to the cursor is 5. If I press D and W, 5 will be deleted. If I continue to press D+W, next word, which is students, will be deleted. Let's just continue with next command, which is undo. To undo the deleted words, we will be using letter U. Pressing U will undo an action. As you can see, there is even time that action that we are undoing have done. You can see the message already at oldest change means that nothing have changed to this file. We have undone all change. I hope you've learned some powerful movement and editing commands in Vim. Practice these commands regularly to become more proficient in text editing with Vim.